Sketchware Pro. This is Sketchware Pro, so I'm going to show you the information about this version of Sketchware. This is Sketchware Pro version 6.3.0, and this is about the information about the application. These are the models normally the application, so that it is what it is. So this table version is a stable version. So we're going to grant permission for storage. We refresh, then we allow, then we create a new project. Right? We name it anything we want, the name of the application that will appear. So we click on the application. I'll name it basics. This is what Sketchware looks like. It consists of widgets, layouts, lists, libraries, Google data, widgets, Android X. So these tools look differently. We have event where we write our code. This is where we write our code using blocks. We have view, we have the components, we have a drawer, we have more blocks. We have components. These work differently. We have different components which work in different locations. So these components are very important. These are the most crucial ones. This saves you from writing rigorous code. You just use them with blocks, with related blocks. So each component will bring out a box. So we can create different pages. For example, we can name this page 3. We can create as many pages as we want, depending on your RAM, on the application, on your phone and storage. So you can create many pages and use them in different ways. Right? We have layout. We have we can go back to main XML. We can try to design something, right? We can use layout, and we can control anything we want. This is a drag and drop application. We can put background, and we can choose any color, indigo. We can disable and enable main things. We can put a text view. We can write introduction. We can center it at the center vertical. Then we can change the boldness, and we can change the length, width. We can even change the text. You can write introduction, we can change the color of the text. We can even change the boldness. So this is simple designing. We are only designing. We have not yet put the code. We can put image views. We can put progress bars. We can change style. The circular one, we put the horizontal vertical one, horizontal bar. We can do a lot of things in this issue. We can design. We can put list views. Grid views, recycle views, viewer pages. We can put patterns. We can put ads, Google ads, right? So we are now removing. So we are now trying to create a simple counter that clicked counter. Here on create, this is where we create our code. We can use these blocks now to write the code, so that the application giving command the application using these blocks. These blocks are very easy to use. Only logic is required. Very easy to use. You will notice when I start making the video, when I start making the application. So we are now designing a simple click application, click counter. So we put our linear views, vertical views, then we center it at the center. Then we put we're now centering the application. Then we put something inside the layout. For example, we can put a text. Then we increase the size of the text. It's about 25. Then we change the length and the width about 200 pixels. Then about 200 length, 200 width on the pixels, 200 again. This is a very simple application to use. We are only now designing. What we are doing is designing. we will start putting the code as soon as we finish designing. We'll put the color in Jingo. So we now change the color, the text color to white, right? And we change the boldness to bold. And what we have to do, we have to erase and put a 0, which will be our starting point, 0, right? Then we add a button. We need to add a button. So I'm going to the button. Then we space between the layout, the layout and the button. We space about 10 pixels. 10 pixels. Then we change the button, add 1. We add 1. Then we change the text color. We put color. Now we have to change the background color to have the contrast. We have to put white. So this also requires a designing skills. So what we have to do now, so we now have to go to on page if you want to create, and what we have to do, we have to write the code. We are now choosing the appropriate block. We need to put the corner radius, corner around edges for our layout. So we put about 10 pixels. 5 stroke. That's our stroke. We select our color, our background, we put white, and we put corner radius. Then we select the layout we want. Then we have 5. Then we have to put 4 as a corner radius. We put background is in Jig. We go back. What we have to do, we have we're going to click where we're going to add the activity. We select the text view, then we select the text view 1. Then we set text, we take the code to string without decimal. Then we check the addition block, right? Then we select to a number. Then we select the number, the block. Then we go to select +1. Then we go to view, then get text, so that we get the text from text view 1. So now our code is complete. We can now, it will now do the same by itself. So what it will be do, it will be taking the number which is already on the text view, then add it with 1, and it will continue adding up to infinity. So add a toast so that it will make sense when it edits the number. So add a simple toast with +1 added, right? Then we save. These are different components. So now we are not using one component, so we'll be just browsing around again. We are not using one component. I'm going to design an application on the next video, so make sure to like, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any content. So now our code is done. We have to run the code. It's now running. Now the application is done. We install the application. Then we're now testing the application. Yeah, it's working as you can see. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.